Hello, welcome you all. Uh, I'm going to present you today. Welcome to this channel in the first place. I am going to present you today with Bloom taxonomy. You know what Bloom taxonomy is, and Bloom taxonomy is the hierarchy of a cognitive domain. We have other domains like affection domain, and we have Bloom taxonomy. You can see it here. It's a very interesting portion. You can see it here, the hierarchy level. Initially, it was this. Benjamin Bloom created a taxonomy of measurable verbs to help us describe and classify observable knowledge, skills, attitudes, behaviors, and abilities. You can see from the knowledge, the first level, actually, you can find here information, data, and other things. So knowledge starts here. It goes to comprehension, understanding, application, analysis, synthesis, and then evaluation. Actually, this is actually changed nowadays. These are some of the words you may see to further understand what these levels of knowledge, cognitive domains are, subdomains of the cognitive domain. Yeah. So you see here, you can, in your free time, you can check this and then, internalize further. And, let me take you to the new one here. It was the one you have seen as the original Bloom's taxonomy, but now it is, about original terms are this from knowledge through evaluation. And the top three ones are said to be higher levels, and the lower three from knowledge to application are said to be the lower order, lower levels. Here in the new terms, synthesis and evaluation are exchanged, and you can see creation. Synthesis is changed to creation. And based on this, I have downloaded a video for you. Please watch them. And thank you for watching as well. And keep in touch.
The Center for Academic Success presents Bloom's Taxonomy, a classification of learning levels. It maps the way we think and process information. The levels of learning are remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. The lower levels are more straightforward and fundamental, while the higher levels are more complex. Let's see how Bloom's Taxonomy can help you with your learning. Level 1. Remembering. Remembering is maintaining basic knowledge through rote learning or memorization. This may be how you studied in high school, but college testing will require you to do more with the information. Level 2. Understanding. Understanding is being able to restate the information in your own words. It allows you to construct meaning and explain what is happening. These levels of learning, when firmly in place, will provide a strong foundation as you advance in the learning process.
Remembering and understanding information is important, even at the college level. Each college course has several new concepts, terms, procedures, and functions that you need to remember and understand. Once you have a solid understanding of the new concepts, it's easier to see how something works, or why it works.
Level 3. Applying. College testing requires you to use what you've learned in the previous levels to solve problems. Application requires you to make connections, compute or solve problems, and to transfer abstract ideas into practical situations. Level 4. Analyzing. After you apply your knowledge, you may need to analyze it or break the material down into separate components. Analysis allows you to illustrate relationships to one another and overall structures. You will be able to recognize unstated assumptions, logical reasoning, and relevancy of data.
At these levels, you can tell if you really know the information well enough to take a test. You can answer questions such as what if, or why, or how would something work.
Level 5, Evaluating. You will need to judge, criticize, and assess information using what you know to make decisions and support your views. You have to think critically at this level and have a profound understanding of a concept or discipline. Level 6, Creating. Creating is the highest level in which you combine elements to form a coherent or functional whole. It requires inventiveness and originality to plan and form new structures. Creating brings together all levels of learning to theorize, design, and test new products, concepts, or functions.
For my final psychology project, it became really clear to me how important it was to really understand the different terms, concepts, and functions. I was able to use this information to evaluate and create the best process to make the experiment work.
Just as a strong foundation is critical for supporting a structure, building strong foundational concepts will allow you to think critically and creatively within your course content. To recap, Bloom's levels of learning will help you target the level and type of learning needed to be successful. For more information on Bloom's taxonomy or any of our workshops, visit the Center for Academic Success website